Hello friends, today I am going to show you some exciting collection in boys. We are going to see collections starting from just born boys up to adults. So let us begin with collections in boys from suits. We have suits starting from size 00, size 00 suitable for 4 months, 6 months onwards. Let us see the suits. Suits starting from rupees 1450. Lovely party wear suit. It comes with a waistcoat, bow, overcoat, pant, shirt. It's a complete 5-piece suit. We have lovely suit collection starting from size 00 up to size 14. We also do have for adults also. See the lovely suit collections what we have. This one is 1450. We are also showing all the prices also, so that you should trust us. What we show you in the video is what we have. Even during the lockdown also we can deliver all these collections to your home. If it's a function, birthday, we can deliver everything friends. Going from suits to sherwanis. We also do have sherwanis starting from size 0. Sherwani starting from rupees 750 onwards. We also have in 725 prices. Sherwanis come with 2 pants. Either we have the sherwani pant, we also do have dhoti pant, a traditional dhoti pant. Can you show us some patterns in sherwani? Okay, very nice. See, it's a complete cotton. All the sherwani is cotton, skin friendly for children. You have this cotton lining also underneath. Wow, this looks nice. See, all latest cross button patterns starting from size 0 up to size 14 onwards. So from 14-15 years up to available for just born onwards. Next, let's see the next collections. Next we are going to see some Baba suit collections. Baba suit starting from just born up to 2 years. We have the shorts and the lovely overcoat, and comes with a shirt inside. It's pure cotton friends, very trendy latest cotton item. Wow, look at this collection. We have very good. Can you please show us this? We have all the kids item as well as big items. Wow, very nice, very good collection. Next we are going to see some lovely ramper collections. Rampers always look very cute for children. Can you please open this and show us? This is lovely ramper for 6 months, 1 year. Can you please show us this, the teddy bear ramper? Looks very cute. Wow, looks so nice. See the teddy bear. The teddy bear also, if you want, you can remove the teddy bear and play with it. See the button is there, you can remove the teddy bear. Price of this only rupees 320. Our prices are very reasonable, best in quality and best in fashion. See, all this is the ramper. Even this is ramper, this is also ramper. See this, so cute. What's the price? See, only 340 friends. Lowest price. We give the lowest price friends. So let's see the next item now. Next we are going to see some pant shirt sets starting from size 0 up to size 9. So from just born onwards up to 9 years old, we have pant and shirt set. Please see, yeah, show us this one. See, this comes as a complete set. The price of this set rupees 1025. It comes with a pant set. All this will come with the pant set, friends. I'm showing you so you will have an idea of what collections we have. Whatever collection you like, you can just send us a message on WhatsApp and we will do a video call and show you all the collections, or we can also send you some photos. We have lovely boys collection. Friends, now we are going to see some sets. So we have this lovely shirt and pant set. This comes with a shirt and a jeans pant. Let's see the next one. I'm going to quickly show you all the collections, friends, because in the video, due to time restriction, I can show you only limited collections, but we have many more collections. So whatever you want, we will surely have it. Just ping us on WhatsApp and we are here to show you all the collections, friends. All the latest collections, the price is very reasonable. 1750 for 7 years, 7 numbers, 7 to 8 years. 1200 for 4 years. So on each size, the rate increases, decreases by 20 rupees. All the trendy latest collections, friends. You have with the jeans, jegging jeans, all fancy collections. We give you the best quality at the best design at very reasonable prices. Home delivery available even during lockdown. So you can be worry free. If it's a birthday, you can still shop all the collection from us.